Hello, and thank you for coming back. This is Mandy, and this is So You Want to Learn How to Crochet. And I want to thank you for coming back. And in this video, we're not going to crochet a stitch. We're going to measure our stitches per inch are 4 inches. I know that if you're following patterns, it'll say in the pattern so many stitches per 4 inches. And so what I did, and what is like the norm, is you take and you crochet a 4x4 square. I did the double crochet in here, and I did use the eye hook, a hook that we've been using the whole time, and I made my 4x4. Now this is actually 4.5, so I'm going to count to 4. And then you're going to take just a regular measuring tape, and you're going to put it on the edge. I'm going to see if I can't do this so you can see what I'm doing. And you see I got a little bit over 4, so I'm just going to count to 4. Make sure that it's on the edge, and we're going to count. And my 4 is right here, so I'm going to count that one as my last stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Let's count it again. I could have counted wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I was right. So I got 12 double crochets inside 4 inches. If the patterns you're using says you need 15 double crochets inside 4 inches, so that means your stitch is too small and you need to go to a little bit bigger hook. I would try going up one size. If it says that you need to have 10 double crochets per 4 inches and you've got 12, then you need to go down a size. Now I would just go down one size and try it again. They also want to measure, at some times they'll measure rows. They'll say the rows are equal to. Now this is actually 4 inches, and so you're going to count the number of rows that you have. And the easiest way to do that would be to actually, each row that you do, put a safety pin on. But I didn't do that, so I'm going to count. Inside this is 4 inches, so put this tape measure down and count. 1, 2, let me see if I can do it like this so you can see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 rows in 4 inches. Now keep paying attention to your tension, because the tension will have a lot to do with how many you can get inside your inches. There again, if you have, if the pattern's calling for 10 rows and you got 7, that means you need to go up a hook, or maybe 2, since that's a big difference. And pay attention to your tension too. How are you making the stitches too small? Are you pulling too tight? Are you making them too loose? Because that's going to mess with the size. But the general rule is you take your tape measure. You can do it by inch or 2 inches, but I would do 4 inches because you can get a better round figure, a more average figure. And the reason why they do this big thing here is because it's pretty much uniformed. Your tension's pretty much straightened out. But when you do this, remember, don't pull it. Don't say, well, I need to get 4 inches and I don't have 4 inches, so I'm going to give it a little tug. No, don't pull it. Just lay it flat and very nice on the table, nice and loose, like it would be laying on your bed or your couch or thrown over you. And measure. That way, if you want to make a scarf, and you'll take your tape measure and you'll put it around your neck, and you'll say, oh, I want it to hang to my waist, so say, oh, I'm going to have it do 48. Now you know you can get 12 double crochets inside of 4 inches. So you're going to go 48. Well, 12 goes into 4. You do the math. 4 goes into 48 how many times? And you figured that one out, then you're going to know that you got 12, so it's going to be 12 times that many. And that's just going to be how you're going to do it. So you're not going to have a scarf that's going to hang under the floor. We don't want that. You want to have it to hang nice and pretty. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions on how to measure your stitches, your tension, your hook size, because it does matter, your hook size. Just leave me a little message down below. I mean, I'll be more than happy to get back with you and jot it down so everyone can see, because if you have a question, I can almost guarantee someone else has got the same question. So do that. Leave the question below. Show me some of them projects too. I'm really eager to see it. I mean, I like to see projects. I like to see what other people can do. I like to see their craftiness. I like to call it craftiness. Makes me sound like I'm crafty or something. But I am crafty. Not in a bad sense, in a good sense, I hope. But, so, when you go to get to the patterns, or if you just want to make a scarf, or if you want to make an afghan to fit your couch, so on, then take your little tape measure, measure your couch. Okay, I want it this long. 34. Okay, I can get so many inches into 34. So I got 12 times that many. That's pretty much just basic math. So if you guys need help figuring that out, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you figure that out. But that is the basic of how to count your stitches. Because that's something everyone needs to know, because when we get into patterns, you're going to need to know how to count stitches. So, I want to say thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. I hope you guys are crocheting and having so much fun. So, hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. I think the next one I'm going to do, I'm thinking about doing the rippled afghan. I won't make the afghan, I'll just make the stitch and show you. It's beautiful. I actually get the afghan that I made out of the rippled stitch. I made it out of the purple shades. And so you can see how it's going to look, instead of in a little tiny square. I won't, in my phone, I won't have room to put the whole thing up, but I can hold it up so you can see. So, subscribe so you can see that beautiful stitch. It's so nice. Alright, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy crochet!